If your legs feel weaker than they used to, or simple tasks like getting up from the couch or walking to the mailbox feel harder, you're not alone. Many people experience this after 55, and it can stir worries about falling or losing balance. Strong legs are more than just strength. They represent freedom, independence, and the ability to continue enjoying life, whether it's gardening, cooking, or walking with loved ones. Here's something most don't realize. 1 in 3 adults over 65 falls each year, often due to weak legs. But even more quietly, certain everyday foods might be making things worse. In this video, I'll share 3 common foods that could be holding your legs back. No strict diets, no complicated rules. Just simple, thoughtful swaps to help you feel stronger and steadier. Let's start this journey together and discover how small changes can make a big difference. Number 1. Sugary drinks like sodas, bottled fruit juices, and sweetened iced teas are staples in many people's daily routines. They're convenient, marketed as energy boosters, and often labeled as real fruit options. But behind their sweet taste lies a hidden effect on our bodies, especially as we age. When we consume sugary drinks, our blood sugar spikes quickly. This initial rush of energy is followed by a concerning aftermath: inflammation. Over time, this internal irritation slows muscle recovery, particularly in the legs. The repair process becomes sluggish, weakening the muscles we rely on for strength and stability. It's a gradual process, but each sugary sip contributes to a loss of muscle vitality. These drinks offer no nutritional value, no fiber, protein, vitamins, or minerals to support muscle growth or bone health. For instance, a single can of soda contains about 39 grams of sugar, almost 10 teaspoons. That's more sugar than our bodies need, and what's unused is stored as fat. This added weight, especially around the belly, puts pressure on the knees and ankles, making movement harder and increasing the risk of falls. I remember speaking with Mrs. Ellen, a retired teacher in her late 60s who loved sweet iced tea. It reminded her of summer picnics, but she began noticing her legs felt heavy after walking just a few blocks. Her balance wasn't what it used to be, and she feared falling. After learning about the impact of sugary drinks, she switched to peppermint tea and water with lemon. Though it was challenging at first, within weeks, she felt lighter on her feet and had more energy to garden, something she hadn't done in months. The good news is, small changes can make a difference. Start your day with water, keep a bottle nearby, and try adding cucumber or mint for flavor. Herbal teas like chamomile or ginger can also be satisfying without the sugar. These small steps can reduce energy crashes, improve hydration, and support muscle strength, helping you feel more steady and in control of your movements again. It's not about giving up everything you love, it's about making choices that help you feel strong and steady. Number 2. Processed foods like sausages, deli meats, bacon, and fast food are a staple in many diets because they're quick, easy, and comforting. But beneath their convenience lies a hidden impact on your body. These foods are loaded with salt, saturated fats, and preservatives, which don't support muscle recovery. Just one slice of deli meat can contain a quarter of your daily salt limit, and that's not just a number. It's pressure that builds up in your legs, ankles, and joints, making movement more difficult. This water retention causes swelling, leaving every step feeling heavier. There's also a deeper issue. These additives trigger inflammation throughout the body. When muscles become inflamed, they don't recover well, leading to fatigue and more frequent cramps, especially in the legs, which are among the largest muscles we have. Take Susan, for example. At 68, she loved starting her day with bacon and toast. Over time, her knees began aching during her walks. Her doctor suggested cutting back on sodium, so she swapped bacon for grilled chicken and occasionally had lentil salads. After a few weeks, Susan shared, "I didn't feel as heavy. It was like I was walking inside my own body again." The good news is, you don't have to give up flavor. A piece of fish brushed with olive oil, a warm chickpea stew, or even tossing beans into a salad are small, manageable swaps that give your body the protein it needs without the burden of too much salt or preservatives. Making these changes helps your legs feel lighter, reduces inflammation, and strengthens your muscles, building not only strength in your legs but also in how you move through life. Number 3. Refined carbohydrates, like white bread, pastries, white pasta, and cookies, are commonly found in many diets. While they taste great in the moment, their impact on your body goes deeper than we often realize. These foods break down quickly into sugar, causing rapid blood sugar spikes followed by crashes. For aging muscles, especially in the legs, this constant cycle of highs and lows takes a toll. Over time, these blood sugar fluctuations can lead to chronic inflammation. In simple terms, inflammation means your body is stuck in a tired state and can't recover as quickly. Muscles lose strength, and even everyday activities like walking short distances or standing can feel more tiring. It's not just about age, it's often about the foods we eat. Refined carbs also lack the key nutrients muscles need to stay strong. They're low in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar, and they're missing important nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins, which are essential for muscle function and energy production. Without these, legs may tire easily or cramp more frequently. I recall talking with Mr. Thomas, a retired bus driver in his 70s. For years, his breakfast consisted of white bread toast and a pastry. Over time, he began noticing his legs felt stiff by mid-morning. After learning how refined carbs affected his energy, he switched to oatmeal with a few berries or nuts. Within weeks, his legs felt lighter, and he could enjoy his morning walks again without feeling winded. The key is to make small, sustainable changes. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa digest slowly, providing steady energy and supporting your muscles. Whole grain bread, especially the kind labeled 100% whole grain, is a nourishing alternative that still feels familiar. Even small portions, like half a cup of oatmeal or a slice of whole grain toast, can make a significant difference when eaten regularly. And don't forget hydration. Drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water daily keeps muscles flexible and reduces cramping. Studies even show that reducing refined carbs and staying hydrated can lower fall risk. It's not about giving up all your favorite foods, but about listening to your body and choosing what helps you feel stronger. Before making any major dietary changes, especially if you have diabetes, kidney issues, or take medications for blood pressure or blood thinners, talk with your doctor or a registered dietitian. Some healthy foods like whole grains or high-potassium fruit scan interact with certain medications or conditions. What's good for one person may need adjusting for another. A quick check-in ensures your new food choices support your unique health needs safely and effectively. Your legs have carried you through every season of life, the busy days, the quiet moments, the walks with loved ones. As we grow older, they need a little more care, a little more kindness. And sometimes, that begins not with more exercise, but with what we choose to put on our plates. Today, we uncovered 3 everyday foods that might be silently holding your legs back. Sugary drinks that spike and crash your energy, processed meats that inflame your muscles, and refined carbs that drain strength over time. But with a few simple swaps, like fresh water or herbal tea, lean proteins, and hearty whole grains, you can nourish your legs from the inside out. Because it's not just about avoiding foods, it's about choosing ones that help you feel steady, mobile, and strong. Your legs carry you through life, Let's give them the fuel they deserve. If this video spoke to you, give it a like, subscribe, or share it with someone who wants to age with strength and grace. See you in the next video.